What is the easiest way to learn basic automation setup? Imagine turning on a machine and having it work perfectly every time without manual control. That's what automation aims to do in industrial settings. But how do you start learning this process easily? Well, the best way is to begin with the core ideas behind automation. Think of it like learning the rules of a game before playing it. First, understand what makes automation work. It involves sensors that detect things like temperature or position. Actuators then perform actions such as moving a conveyor belt or opening a valve. The control system, often a Programmable Logic Controller or PLC, processes sensor data and sends commands to actuators. Next, get familiar with PLCs. These are the main control units in most automation systems. They have input and output modules that connect to sensors and actuators. Learning how to write simple programs for PLCs is a key step. Many beginner-friendly environments use ladder logic, which looks like electrical relay diagrams. You can find free or low-cost simulation software that lets you practice programming without buying hardware. These virtual tools let you test your code and see how the system reacts, saving you money and time. Then, explore sensors and actuators. Sensors gather real-time data, like detecting if a box is present or measuring temperature. Actuators perform mechanical actions, like moving a robotic arm or opening a valve. Connecting these devices correctly to your PLC is essential. Follow clear wiring diagrams and use standard sizes, like a 5mm photoelectric sensor or a 20mm motor. Costs for basic sensors and actuators can start around $20 each, and simple kits with everything you need might cost under $200. Once you have the hardware, practice with hands-on kits. These kits include sensors, actuators, and a small PLC. They are perfect for learning wiring, programming, and troubleshooting. You can find beginner kits for around $50 to $100. Using these kits, try simple projects like controlling a light or a small conveyor. These projects teach input sensing, logic programming, and output control. Structured learning is very helpful. Start with easy tutorials that guide you step by step. Many online courses are free or low cost and focus on basic automation concepts. As you get comfortable, try more complex setups involving multiple sensors and actuators. This gradual approach helps build confidence and skills. Finally, connect your learning to Industry 4.0 trends. Modern factories use smart sensors, cloud data, and machine learning. Understanding these trends helps you see how basic automation fits into larger systems. For example, setting up a simple conveyor system that detects objects and moves them can be a great first project. It teaches input detection, output control, and basic programming logic. In summary, start by understanding the core components, practice with simulation and real kits, follow structured tutorials, and gradually add complexity. This step-by-step method makes learning automation straightforward and enjoyable. With patience and practice, you'll be setting up basic automation systems in no time.